All right, we got some water coming in. This is the back of the trunk of the Fusion, and out here in the rain storm, this is the, well, I don't know how far out we can go with this, but looking underneath, this is the middle of the trunk. This is where the third brake light is, and you can see I've got a drip coming right there. Yep. Okay, cool. So I found my drip. Now what happens is water collects in this track down here, and when you open the trunk it actually drips down. If it's the same drip right about here, and then I get a nice little water spot on my mat. So this is very good. I think I found the problem. Okay, good. Dripping right there. We'll have to see if we can seal it up a little bit. Hey everybody, got the new brake light in for the Ford Fusion, and you can see here, just that's the gasket. That is where I'm getting leaky water coming through. It's really kind of a just soft foam, and you can't buy it separately, although now that I see it, I guess just a big enough piece of foam you could kind of cut it to fit. Anyways, this is the third brake light. You can see right here, this is where the port emblem goes. This is a Dorman, I think it's a 68,000. Anyways, I'll put it in the comment or in the description below. Anyways, let's go ahead and put it in here. All right, so this is the old third brake light coming out. You can see, so this part right here, that's the gasket. It runs all around the light. And it looks like, I mean, it's in okay shape, but I mean, it's 14 years old. I imagine that it's probably not repelling or not sealing as good as it used to. That's the thing. It feels like foam. I know rubber, when it gets old, it can get really hard and doesn't make a good seal anymore. So this foam, you can see it's pretty dirty in here. So I don't know if I had like some pine needles or just debris that was disrupting the seal, but this thing was leaking pretty good. You'll see. Anyways, I also noticed, I must have looked at this a couple times. So on the back side, there's here, I'll set it down for a second. You can see it's got, what would you call those, almost like studs, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then there's nuts that go on the top of those. And they were finger tight. They were actually pretty loose. So if you do have this problem, I recommend going in and just go ahead and take a 10mm socket and go ahead and tighten up. You don't want to over tighten, but just go ahead and give them a couple turns and make sure that they're still tight and haven't loosened up over time. Anyways, I've got my new one in. Here's what it looks like. You probably can't see much, but you can see it's in place right there. There's the edge of it right there. So anyways, we're gonna see if it leaks. This is the fabric, right, just hanging down. I think we're gonna keep it off. We're supposed to have some rain here this week, so I'm gonna see how well it holds up, and hopefully this stops the leak from coming into the back. So anyways, this is how to fix leaky trunk on a 2012 Ford Fusion. Thanks for watching. Oh, one more thing before I go. I removed the mat here. Okay, and if you have a spare, you can lift it up, and if you have if you ever have water that comes in, like you can see, I do have a little wet spot like right here from a little bit of moisture. This and this, those are plugs, so you can actually lift those up and drain the water out. Super easy. And all it takes is if you have a pry tool, like a plastic pry tool, that's really soft, be nice to those. A screwdriver will work, but I think a plastic pry tool is better. But anyways, if you have a bunch of water in your trunk, just go ahead and pry those up and it'll drain right out. And I like to leave the caps off. Obviously you want to empty your trunk, but leave the caps off for a little bit. Make sure you get all the water out of there. And anyways, that's just a little tip. So anyways, this has been MulkeyFilms. This is what to do if you have a leaky trunk in a 2012 Ford Fusion. If you have any comments or questions, send us a note in the comment section below. Don't forget to click subscribe. Thanks a lot.